Did you know your cells can respond to light? There's a scientific term for this: photobiomodulation. Not exactly the easiest word to say, but the idea is fascinating. It literally means light-changing biology. To your body, sunlight is not just brightness, it's biological information. A few minutes of safe outdoor light early in the day tells your brain what time it is. It helps your cells regulate energy, and it helps set the rhythm your body uses to sleep, repair, and recover. Sunlight contains a full spectrum of wavelengths, including red and near-infrared light. These wavelengths can interact with your cells, including your mitochondria, the tiny energy-producing structures found inside almost every cell in your body, and that matters because healing costs energy. Whether you're repairing a tissue after an injury, rebuilding muscle after a workout, or recovering from poor sleep, your cells have work to do. They need energy to control inflammation, produce collagen, and rebuild tissue. So simply put, sunlight does not just help you feel awake, it gives your body a biological signal that may help support the energy systems involved in repair. And this is where photobiomodulation becomes especially interesting for wound healing. In scientific studies, red and near-infrared light appear to interact with mitochondria and cellular signaling pathways involved in ATP production, nitric oxide release, inflammation control, and tissue repair. In simpler terms, the right kind of light may help wounded tissue create energy more efficiently, improve local signaling, support blood flow, and help cells like fibroblasts do their job. Fibroblasts matter because they help produce collagen, one of the key structural proteins your body uses to rebuild damaged tissue. Now, to be very clear, sunlight does not magically close wounds. And if you have a real wound, especially with diabetes, poor circulation, infection, or a wound that isn't healing, you need proper medical care. But the principle is fascinating. Your cells are designed to respond to light as part of normal biology. And that's not a wellness trend. That's basic physiology. And now we get to the part I think matters most for everyday recovery: your circadian rhythm, which is your internal body clock. Morning light tells your body, this is daytime. That one signal helps regulate cortisol in the morning, alertness throughout the day, and melatonin at night. Now, melatonin isn't just a sleep hormone. It's deeply tied to recovery. Better sleep means better tissue repair, better immune function, better hormone regulation, and better control of inflammation. But before any of that, your body needs the basic signal it evolved with: bright light during the day, darkness at night. That rhythm is foundational. Everything else sits on top of it. Get outside within the first 1 to 2 hours of waking. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of outdoor light. Don't stare at the sun. Just be outside. Walk, sit on the porch, drink your coffee. Let your brain and body register that the day has started. For most people, a little morning light is one of the simplest ways to support energy, sleep, and recovery. Sometimes, healing isn't about doing more. Sometimes it's about giving the body the right signal at the right time. I'm Dr. J. Follow along for more science-backed ways to heal, recover, and age well. I'll see you in the next video.